Hello everyone, I'm Ishwari and today we are going to learn about motion and time. Okay, so let's start. Motion and Time by Ishwari Sana. So first we are going to see about time. Just 1 minute. Okay. Time is a period between two events. Time also defines numerous other quantities of science such as speed. Furthermore, all possible motions in the universe can only occur through time. Action and time are thus inseparable. Time is so essential and fundamental to us that it affects all aspects of life. What is time? Time is the period between two events. And time it also defines numerous other quantities of science such as speed, and furthermore, all possible motions in the universe can only occur through time. Action and time are thus inseparable. Action and time are thus inseparable. Motion and time are inseparable. So what is time? Time is the period between two events. Then standard units of measurement. We are going to see standard units of measurement. So standard unit of length is meters. Standard unit of mass is kilogram. Standard unit of time is seconds. And standard unit of temperature is Kelvin. There are many other not standard units. There are many other units, but they are not standard units. Standard unit is only one. Like meter, again there is kilometers, but still meter is the standard unit. Then gram is also there, but kilogram is the standard unit. Seconds, then minutes is also there. Minutes are also there. Hours are also there, but still seconds is the standard unit of time. And Kelvin, so degree Celsius are there, then degree Fahrenheit are also there, but still the standard unit of temperature is Kelvin. So measurement of time. For measurement of time, there are various ways which time was measured in olden times. Like 1 minute. Like sundial or shadow clock was used, hourglass was used, water clock was used, candle clocks, then pendulum. So what are this? These are the objects, or these are the clocks that were used in olden times to measure the time. But now we have clocks, we have smart watches, we have clocks that clocks easily show the time. But in previous or in old times we don't have that. That's why people used to use these clocks: sundial or shadow clock, hourglass, water clock, candle clock, and pendulum. Motion. Now we are going to see about motion. What is motion? A body or an object is said to be in motion when its position changes with respect to time and its surrounding. Okay. So when any object or any body, it is changing its position, and it is changing its position in respect to the time and its surrounding, at that time it is said to be in motion. Like I am sitting in a car and we are moving, and a person is outside the car, and he or she is watching to me in the car. So I am in motion. I am in motion with respect to the time and that person. Now, an object is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with time or with respect to its surrounding. When any object it does not change its position, it is said to be at rest. Like the chairs, tables, they do not change their position. That's why they are said to be at rest. Now, what is speed? The distance covered by a moving body in a unit time is its speed. It's simple. The distance covered by a moving body in unit time is its speed. Like a speed of a car is 20 kilometers per hour. So something like this. In other words, speed of the moving body is the total distance it travels divided by the total time it takes to travel that distance. So in other words, what is speed? Speed of the moving body is the total distance it travels divided by the total time it takes to travel that distance. Means speed is total distance covered by total time taken. Speed is d upon t. D stands for distance taken and t stands for time taken. Now, uniform and non-uniform motion. A body moving in straight line covering equal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be moving in uniform motion, whereas a body distance in equal interval of time or vice versa is said to be moving in non-uniform motion. So here it is not true. What is the definition of non-uniform motion? Is a body moving in a body moving, I can't say straight line, a body moving in a line, or a body not moving in a straight line and covering equal distance in unequal interval of time. At that time it is said to be a non-uniform motion. Like suppose a truck, it takes 50 minutes to travel 50 kilometers, then it takes again 50 minutes to travel again 50 kilometers. So at that time the truck is moving in a uniform motion, whereas if the truck takes 1 hour to cover 50 kilometers and then it takes again 2 hours to cover the same distance, so at that time it is said to be in a non-uniform motion. So the last part, that is distance time graph. So you may think that this topic it is finishing so much early because it's just a small introduction. There is nothing in it, only I have just I've explained it shortly. Distance time graph is a way of representing the motion of an object in the form of a graph. What is a distance time graph? Distance time graph is a way of representing the motion of an object in the form of a graph. Like here you can see there is a graph over here. I hope it's visible. So you can see there is a line like this and it's like this. So it is there are x axis and y axis is there. So like you can see that there are numbers given here and even here is the number, but it's time, and you can see it is like this. So suppose there is a straight line, at that time it is the object is traveling in a uniform motion, but whereas it is like this, so at that time the body is traveling in a non-uniform motion. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so look, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. 1 minute. Okay, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Y-axis used to denote the distance. 1 minute. Whereas x-axis used to denote the time. So I hope it's clear. Okay. Oh, the slideshow is done. So I hope you like this video. It was a very short video, I guess, but still please like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So yes, bye, have a nice day.